Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Roblox. It's very easy to fix. Okay, on the top right, first go to roblox.com/home. On the top right, you're going to see the cog. Click on that. Click on settings after that. From here, by the way, you need to be verified as 13 plus to do this. I have a different video on how to do this. But okay, on the left hand side, you're going to see privacy and content maturity. Click on this. And under here, you're going to see something called communication. Click on communication. You're going to see a couple of different options here: experience chat, party voice chat, etc, etc. Now you want all of these: experience chat to be set to everyone, party, I have it set to friends and no one. You want this set to friends and friends. And do the same for everything else, and that is it. After you have done this, the error should go away. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.